you. My name is Shezi and welcome to Badam Pe Charcha. On behalf of the Almond Board of California, I bid you a very, very warm welcome. आजचा आपला डिस्कशन खूप जरा इंटरेस्टिंग आहे and very relevant for the simple reason that there is a serious dearth of protein in our lives. हम बड़े कार्ब पसंद देश हैं. There's no denying it. Okay, we like our rice and all of that. Protein, okay, by default, you know. Today's conversation, I'm really hoping that you take back a lot of information, not just for what content you're going to write, but also to implement little changes in your household. My name is Shezi, and without further ado, I would like to invite our guests on stage. Our first guest is no introduction, actor, entrepreneur, author, and mom, somebody who's been a very strong advocate of women and fitness, Sohani Khanji. You know, going over here. Sadly, you know how life is, that never really materialized. But today I'm getting to meet her and I'm so thrilled. Please put your hands together for our celebrity fitness instructor. I think I can say celebrated fitness instructor also, Yasmin Karachi Balaji. Thank you. And my finalist for today, truly the country's finest. ह्यांच्या बरोबर खूप इव्हेंट्स केलेत मी ऑलरेडी आणि ह्यांचं लेवल ऑफ नॉलेज इज सो बट यू नो ट्रूली समबडी हु हैज सो मच ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन टू शेयर. इनके साथ जब भी मैं बैठी हूँ इन कॉन्वर्सेशन ना कुछ अपने लिए पर्सनली तो जरूर से लेके जाती हूँ मैं. शी इज समबडी हु हैज 30+ years of experience. She specializes in therapy nutrition. She specializes in weight management. She's the regional head of dietetics Max Healthcare New Delhi. Please put your hands together for Ritika Samadali.
My diet actually, मैं बचपन से काफी डिसिप्लिन रही हूँ डाइट के मामले में. I feel like maybe that's come from my parents. Everybody knows my father was an athlete, of course. My mother was in films. तो और हम सबको शौक था to be fit, active. Games खेलते थे हम. I know now today's generation doesn't even get an opportunity to play outdoors, but we used to play outdoors after school. And diet के मामले में I've always wanted to eat a balanced diet. तो ऐसा अभी मैं सोचती हूँ carbs, protein, fat. पहले तो हम बस देखते थे कि रोटी, सब्जी, राइस. अभी बच्चों को भी स्कूल में पढ़ाते हैं कि there's a pyramid. You should have a colorful plate. It should have all the colors, and these colors represent certain vitamins and minerals and all of that. So now I understand, and now at this age in my life, मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ, in my 40s, I've understood कि protein कितना important है for muscles, because we lose so much muscle as we get older, and I believe that protein is what helps you with your lean muscle and with muscle recovery, with strength, with immunity, with all these things. So that's why protein has become even more important in my diet. I'm of course a non-vegetarian, so I managed to get it from animal protein, but also there's so many vegetarian sources of protein, and of course that's why we're here today, because of Badam Pe Charcha, is nuts, and badam is one of the primary sources of vegetarian protein.
Obviously, India is a very carb-loving country. In fact, even if you are non-vegetarian, हम शायद हफ्ते में एक ही बार non-veg खाते हैं या अंडा कभी खा लिया. So even if you are non-vegetarian, we are still eating a vegetarian diet. And in fact, after many years, हमारे ICMR, which is the Indian Council of Medical Research, और NIN, which is the National Institute of Nutrition, Hyderabad, जो हमारी सारी guidelines लिखता है diet के बारे में, it has recently revised all its guidelines and specifically come out in 2024, जिसमें ये बताया गया है कि protein deficiency बहुत ही rampant है इंडिया में, and protein is one of the major macronutrients जो कि हमें खास देखना है कि हम अपने डाइट से ले पाए. एंड जनरली टू टेल यू कि हम जैसे लोग जो हेल्दी इंडिविजुअल्स हैं हमें कितना लेना चाहिए. सो द रिकमेंडेशन इज 0.8 to 1 ग्राम पर kg बॉडी वेट, जो कि अंदाजन 50 से 60 ग्राम प्रोटीन हम सबको चाहिए. एंड ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच इज नाउ बीइंग टोल्ड इज कि जहां तक हो सके इसे आप नेचुरल सोर्सेज से लीजिए. So if you can get it from the non-vegetarian sources like अंडा है, non-veg है, but vegetarian, and of course 60 to 70% of the population is vegetarian, तो हमें vegetarian sources से देखना पड़ेगा हमें प्रोटीन कहाँ से मिल रहा है. So of course दालें हैं, which is very good source, but nuts and seeds are very good source, जिसमें बादाम is considered to be, in fact उसमें specifically mention भी किया गया है कि बादाम can be one of the very good healthy sources of protein, और जब हम एक मुट्ठी बादाम खाते हैं हमें 6 ग्राम प्रोटीन मिलता है. So अगर आप natural whole proteins ले सके अपने diet में, तो you should be able to get it from all the vegetarian and the non-vegetarian sources. So
तो बहुत ही ज़रूरी है क्योंकि एक्सरसाइज तो सब लोग करते हैं और बहुत सारे लोग मुझे पूछते हैं कि व्हाट डू आई ईट बिफोर अ वर्कआउट, व्हाट कैन आई ईट आफ्टर अ वर्कआउट। और नॉर्मली जो लोग खाते थे एक इडली खाते थे या बनाना खाते थे, बट फॉर मी आई लव ईटिंग अ बनाना बिफोर अ वर्कआउट। मगर बनाना के साथ मैं कुछ बादाम भी खाती हूँ बिकॉज आई फील लाइक जो फ्रूट होता है वो अपनी बॉडी में बहुत जल्दी डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है, तो 20 मिनट में वो फ्रूट कहाँ गया पता भी नहीं चलता है। मगर जब हम बादाम खाते हैं कोई भी फ्रूट के साथ, स्पेशली बनाना, एंड मेरी फेवरेट कॉम्बिनेशन है क्योंकि इतनी आसान है, बनाना कहीं भी मिल सकती है। बनाना, आई ऑलवेज हैव badam with me, so banana and badam, because badam slows down the absorption of banana in your body, so you get energy for longer. So for me that is the best combination. और बहुत टाइम होता है कि I finish my workout, मैं अपनी बात कर रही हूँ, I finish my workout और मेरी next client या next client wait कर रहे होते हैं, and I don't get time to even have a protein shake, you know, because but I'll have a few badam. So for me it's also great post workout snack, because एक तो बादाम हमें ऐसे महसूस करता है कि हम लोग फुल ज्यादा टाइम तक रह सके, gives you satiety, and also वो चबाने में you know, I mean a shake is something जो हम डायरेक्टली पी लेते हैं, मगर बादाम वो चबाने में बॉडी को भी सिग्नल्स मिलती है कि खाना आ रहा है, कुछ आ रहा है खाने को, तो डाइजेशन शुरू हो जाती है. So I think for that also, and I love the crunch of badam. So that's my go-to snack. Chalega, and you know, I guess it's because of the magnesium and the fiber and all of that that's present in badam.
In fact, you know, you were talking about it a little while ago outside also, and I realized that as a kid I used to hate to eat breakfast before school. So my mother used to actually you know, make a badam powder, and she put that one spoonful in my mouth, and I had it with a glass of milk, and I drank, and I was okay. Yeah. And now, just today, it occurred to me that that's what we used to do as kids.
Say that, and I'm not just saying it because we're here talking about badam. I really feel that why I associated with this with badam, with almonds, is because there's a natural association. Because I enjoy snacking. And I understand कि सिर्फ breakfast, lunch, dinner से नहीं होता है, और बीच में कुछ खाने का मन होता है, लेकिन sometimes I feel कि वो क्या खाऊं, 10:30 बजे lunch और dinner के बीच में 4 बजे 5 बजे जब भूख लगती है, but it's too early for a meal. What is a healthy snack where my blood sugar doesn't spike, where I feel like I'm having some good source of protein, which I understand is so important for my immunity, for my muscle building, and that's when I turn to badam. And it's not just for me, it's also for my daughter. Just we were discussing कि I'm thinking कि of course अम्मा मुझे बताती थी जब मैं छोटी थी कि बादाम खाओ, इसीलिए मैं इनाया के साथ भी सेम करती हूँ. और क्योंकि बचपन से I introduced her to the taste of badam, which I actually like in its raw form. She also loves eating just raw badam, just a handful of badam. Sometimes she likes salted badam, so I try and control the salt because I understand salt is not so good, but roasted, dry roasted. And at night also, every night, she'll have her dinner at 6 o'clock, and then she gets into bed at around 7:30, 7:45, and then she's like, I'm feeling hungry, Mama. And I'm like, now you can't eat anything because you're trying to sleep and your blood sugar will go up and you won't sleep well and your digestive system, etc., etc. And then Rashmi Didi, her and I have a thing where we say, how many badam? Okay, how many allowed? And she'll be like 5, and I'll be like 2, and then she'll be like 3, and then we eat some badam, because I also know, we've had so many discussions, it doesn't interfere with your sleep. It doesn't spike your blood sugar. And it's a perfect snack to have also when you feel hungry before bedtime. So this is my go-to snack. You don't have to refrigerate it. It stays for years, you know. So I feel like even when you buy it in bulk, you can keep it. So for so many reasons, it's the perfect snack.
Snacking is an integral part of a healthy, balanced diet. You know, you cannot, even though we're doing various kinds of diets and all, where we say eat only once a day, twice a day, it is not practical. So you have to look for something which is like some snack which is very versatile, you can carry with you, and most of us are working and all, so therefore you need something which can on the go snack. So that's where almonds play a very, very important role. But at this point of time, I also want to share that there was this recent study which was done, a survey which was conducted in 17 cities in India in association with the Almond Board of California. And very interesting facts were seen over there that almost 80% of the respondent knew about almonds, so everybody was eating almonds on a daily basis. Of course, the numbers was different, but everybody, so out of the 10 people, 8 people were having almonds every day. So that was that means people understand the importance of that. The second thing which was even more interesting while I was going through the survey was that what they found was almost 65% of the respondent felt that badam is a very high protein snack. So it's not just that what we are discussing, but even the person on the streets and even at home, people understand that badam is a very healthy snack, जो कि आप अपना दिन में, as part of your healthy balanced diet, आप उसे incorporate कर सकते हैं. And the third thing which was very interesting, of course, as part of the protein, because now that we're talking about protein, that people felt that out of the various sources, badam actually is the 5th most common source of vegetarian protein in the Indian diet. So even though we are discussing about it and we know the importance of it and the various nutrients it has, but even as lay people in India understand that badam is very, very important and an integral part of the healthy diet.
मैंने कहीं पे सुना था कि badam is also very good for your eyes, for your eyesight, right?
It has
Vitamin
E and magnesium and fiber.
So very, very good. So of course magnesium we are just
what I struggle with when you had all your meals and you're still feeling hungry, and sometimes when you sleep on an empty stomach, आपको लगता है कि नींद पूरी नहीं होगी. So it's really helpful. Sometimes, and if I'm like in the room and वो कुछ गिराएगी, even in the garden, हम बाहर जा रहे हैं रोड पे, कुछ गिरेगा हाथ से, कुछ भी, piece of toast or something, and if I'm not looking at her, I feel कि वो गिराया, अगर मैं नहीं होती तो
your immunity. Remember, each and every cell of your body is made with proteins. तो अगर हम प्रोटीन ना लें तो over a period of time infection हो जाएगा, immunity कम होगी, muscle, as Soha just mentioned that as you grow old, post 40, every decade there's an 8% loss in your muscle mass. So अगर आप प्रोटीन जैसे जैसे बुढ़ापा हो रहा है, प्रोटीन ज्यादा लेना है. On the contrary, people think कि अब तो बूढ़े हो गए हैं तो प्रोटीन नहीं खाना है. So the entire concept of how much protein you need, every population, मतलब generation which is like a child to a young adult to an elderly person, सबकी requirement अलग है. So there's a lot of discussion which is happening around protein, and we are trying to educate the public about it. So coming back to your question, कि as a working woman, how do I do? So my first thing is हर meal, जो भी आप meal लेते हो, which is your breakfast, lunch, dinner, उसमें एक protein जरूर ढूंढो. So if you're able to have a protein in every meal, you will meet your protein requirements naturally. So on the go, अगर आप breakfast के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, if you're a non-vegetarian, you can have your egg. If you're a vegetarian, you can make like a smoothie kind of thing. और जैसे हम सब discuss कर रहे हैं, उसमें 2 चम्मच बादाम का powder डाल दो. It becomes a complete meal, and of course, it's very high on proteins. Similarly, during the mid mornings and the mid evenings, जब हमें बहुत भूख लगती है and you're actually looking for something to eat, I think something like this is so much easy, especially for working women, that आप अपने बैग में रख सकते हो और आपने एक मुट्ठी बादाम खा लिया, you're getting 6 grams of protein, you're getting all the micronutrients, and you're also trying to bridge the gap जो हम protein deficiency की बात कर रहे हैं. And similarly, आप अगर अपने lunch और dinner के बारे में बात करो, look for that one protein. चाहे वो दाल हो, चाहे वो पनीर हो, चाहे वो non-veg हो. So every meal, if you have a protein source, you're not deficit and you're meeting your requirements.
So I want to say something कि बहुत सारे लोग of course जब workout करने आते हैं तो पूछते हैं what should we have for protein, and we don't like protein shakes, और तब मैं उनको बोलती हूँ कि बादाम खा लो. बहुत सारे लोग जो walking करते हैं सिर्फ, और वो लोग सोचते हैं कि उनको प्रोटीन की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हम तो वेट्स नहीं उठाते, हम लोग जिम नहीं जाते, हम लोग स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग नहीं करते, तो हम लोग क्यों प्रोटीन खाएं. उनको भी प्रोटीन उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि जैसे रितिका ने बोला हम लोग मसल लूज करते हैं. आई डोंट थिंक 40 के बाद, आई थिंक 30 के बाद बोन डेंसिटी, राइट. सो प्रोटीन बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, नॉट ओनली बिकॉज यू आर वर्किंग आउट. अगर आप कुछ भी नहीं करते हो तो भी आपकी बॉडी को प्रोटीन रिक्वायर कर, आपकी बॉडी प्रोटीन आपकी बॉडी के लिए अच्छा है.
जितना जैसे रिसर्च एंड ऑल से पता हेल्थ बेनिफिट देखना चाहते हैं, मतलब आपका 1 आउंस जिसे हम कहते हैं, जिसमें आपका 20 से 23 बादाम आते हैं। तो इतनी हमारी रिकमेंडेशन है, जिसे देखा गया है कि वो हार्ट हेल्थ बेनिफिट करता है, डायबिटीज को कंट्रोल करता है। पर ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको सारा का सारा एक साथ लेना है। आप उसे थोड़े, जैसे मैंने कहा, मिड मॉर्निंग स्नैक के हिसाब से ले सकते हैं, सुबह नाश्ते में आप अपने स्मूदी में डाल सकते हैं, शाम को स्नैक्स के हिसाब से ले सकते हैं। सो दैट्स वन क्वेश्चन। द सेकंड क्वेश्चन व्हिच यू आस्क, इसको भिगोना चाहिए कि नहीं, तो यस, देयर आर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन टू शो कि जब आप उसको भिगोते हैं, बादाम के छिलके में कुछ इनहिबिटर्स होते हैं जो हमारे सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स को अच्छी तरह अब्सॉर्ब नहीं कर पाते हैं। सो व्हेन यू सोक द आमंड्स, वन, द एंजाइम्स बिकम्स मोर एक्टिव, तो वो अच्छी तरह डाइजेस्ट होता है। लेकिन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि उसका छिलका उतार के नहीं फेंकना है, बिकॉज छिलके में ही फाइबर है। So, जिस तरह से 1 मुट्ठी बादाम में 6 ग्राम प्रोटीन है, उसी तरह से 1 मुट्ठी बादाम, छिलके वाले बादाम में 6 ग्राम फाइबर है। तो अगर आप उसको भिगो के छिलका उतार देंगे तो आपका फाइबर निकल जाएगा। बट यस, यू कैन सोक इट ओवरनाइट एंड देन हैव इट फॉर श्योर। प्रोसेसिंग मीन्स जैसे जो सॉल्टेड आ रहे हैं या पैकेज जो आते हैं उसमें नमक और वो प्रोसेसिंग होती है, तो इसलिए हम उसको मना इसलिए करते हैं कि उसमें नमक की क्वांटिटी ज्यादा है। So obviously we all know we are also the hypertensive capital of the world, right? हमारे यहाँ सबसे ज्यादा hypertension patients हैं, तो इसलिए हमें नमक की क्वांटिटी कम करनी है। तो इसलिए अगर आप प्रोसेस चीज कोई ले रहे हैं उसमें सॉल्ट का एडिशन होगा। लेकिन अगर आप ऐसे कच्चे बादाम खा रहे हैं या आप उसको पाउडर बना के यू आर एडिंग इट इनटू योर रेसिपी, या आप उसका दूध बना के जैसे आमंड मिल्क ले रहे हैं, दैट इज परफेक्टली सेफ एंड एब्सोल्युटली 0 इन सोडियम कंटेंट, तो आपको कोई नुकसान नहीं करेगा।